morning, everyone. It's been a while since we've done a video, probably since New Year's. My grandparents are in town now for 12 days, so we thought we'd do a tour, and we're gonna do a swimming hole jungle trek. We could barbecue, so let's go along for a ride. Alright, so the tour we're doing today, we just kind of tour around for 5 hours. We get lunch. We got Playa Carrillo behind us.
Terrible.
There's Grandpa taking some photos. So we'll show you all the different viewpoints that we end up today. And I'm gonna get the drone up at some point as well. There's not a lot of water right now because it's dry season. You can imagine how much we come through here in the rainy season. Probably goes right edge to edge. I guess we have to rappel down now. Alright, so we got another vantage point here, a view of all the coastline of the Nicoya Peninsula, just about. I'm just going to show you here. Probably the end of the tour, other than driving back. We stopped at Barrigona Beach, again, our favorite beach, and we're gonna have lunch. He's just preparing it in the trees behind us here. Water looks crazy today. It's so blue, like turquoise blue. It's gonna get the drone up.